welcome to my channel. Today I am going to do a review of a beautiful doll. This is Baby Alive, and this doll comes in so many variants. This is a Step and Giggle Baby Alive doll. It's battery operated doll. This is light up shoes. This doll comes with so many variants, and this is the Step and Giggle Baby Alive. Here are some variants. She only drinks water. This is light up shoes, and it's for 3+ years. Here it's mentioning on the box. Then there's tummy.
Phew! Now I'm thirsty.
This is the hairbrush. Let me comb her hair. Wow, it's super soft. Oh my goodness. Wow! This is light up shoes.
Whoa, look at my shoes. Stop. People, stop. Whee! This is fun.
This is the goggle. And let me put here. Yes. Oh, it's beautiful. We need to squeeze it. Then we need to squeeze the water. And this is the diaper. It comes only a single diaper. And let me press the tummy again. Wow.
Whoa, look at my shoes.
And here is a switch on the back side. And 2 mode is there. And it comes with the 2 languages, English and Spanish. And from here, you can close it. And now from here you can switch off. And again, let me press the tummy.
Go play.
These are the different faces.
Love you, Mommy. I love you the best. I love my glasses. Love you, Mommy.
Here, look at the dress. It's super soft and nice print. Thanks for watching, friends.